Hi, my name is Ashley Watt, and I am in my ninth year of teaching agriculture at Oxford High School in South Central Kansas. I'm also the junior high track coach, which is why I have a really nice sunburn right now. Um, and my goals coming into and starting this master's program, to be quite honest with you, one of them was to move across the salary schedule. And secondly, technology, I feel like, is something that we have to focus on. Our kids need to know, and it needs to be a part of their 21st century skills because they're going to have to use it in their life outside of school. So those were kind of some ways that coming into the program, I thought, and I actually have, being a CTE teacher, I have some nested courses, so sometimes I'll have more than one class at a time. So finding new ways to have those classes happen, integrating technology was really at the top of my list for that. It's kind of changed in the last couple of months because I actually accepted a different job and I won't be actually teaching in a classroom. I will be a career and technical and college coordinator for a school. So I'll still be in the educational environment, just in a different capacity. But I actually did a lot of the job description already in what I was doing. So my goals have shifted to finding ways, especially because I'm not going to have interaction with students on a daily basis necessarily. I am going to have to communicate with them via technology. And, so that is an important thing to do. Another big part of that will be they'll have to make digital portfolios of their work and resumes, cover letters to take with them as they leave and go on to do whatever they're going to do post-secondary. So that's a large goal. Some of my strengths that support this, hopefully, in my new adventure, I enjoy being creative. I enjoy interacting with people, whether that is face to face or via technology. I think collaboration is a really important part in all aspects of education. So I think that's probably my biggest strength going into this. My weakness at this point is I'm a little terrified that I don't exactly know what I'm getting myself into. And, I haven't ever communicated with students without having them in my classroom at some point. So kind of the unknown is a big weakness at this point. So I have experienced a lot of different technology, and in my current role, I really haven't got to spend a lot of time with it. We have great tech people at my district, but they'll show us something. You'll see it for 5 minutes. I'll try to work with it. And I never really delve into getting to know a technology well. So hopefully in my new role, I'll actually have time to find a technology and get all of the benefits out of it that I can, instead of just kind of like, look at this new shiny thing here. We used it once and then it was gone. So those are all things that I'm looking forward to in my new career and throughout the rest of this course.